making easy bake brownies.
What do we need
Are you feeling better, honey?
I'm gonna be in the middle.
A lot better.
Good.
So right now we
See?
have our
The
easy
nurse-
bake
and
kit.
wait a minute, you have to let him know that the nurse has got him well now. He's-
Okay, this is a nurse, my grandma.
Yeah, he's a nurse. Hey, let me
Okay, and then this is my brother. He was sick today, but
he was-
anyway.
But he's not going to
today-
eat a lot
okay.
of sugar today.
Okay,
Remember?
okay,
Candy.
okay,
Go ahead,
okay.
say that. Make sure you say that. Tell them. He's not going to eat,
He's not gonna eat
what? Well, Draven, let you tell
Sugar,
him. Let him
sugar.
tell
I'm
him.
gonna eat I'm gonna
Look in there.
eat
Look in me. Look in
an
there.
easy bake.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh, no,
so-
I wouldn't eat too much of
Okay,
that.
okay, Grandma.
I don't
Settle
want
down.
him to eat
You're
none
on
of
my
it.
video.
Settle
I'm not
down.
editing.
Draven, I don't want you to
I'm
eat
not
that.
editing
Please
this.
settle
No,
down.
Draven. Don't you. Who are you talking to?
You.
You broke your pancake mix.
Yeah.
Keep banging it on the table. You broke it.
It's your pancake.
Okay, can you for a second? I'm doing
Yeah,
a
I'm
video.
leaving. Bye.
This is what we're
I'm
getting.
going to do my
Easy bake
grandma thing.
chocolate
How
brownies.
about that?
No!
You know how to stay home
You guys
alone.
are fine.
So,
Okay?
no, Grandma, no.
You had a breakfast. You don't need grandma
So
here.
you're gonna need your. I'll get back with you when we
Let
have
me
the
get over here.
All right, so we have all the ingredients. You need a bowl. Move out the way. You
Don't
need
talk
your
to him like
you
that.
need your mix.
That isn't the
You need
way
your
of
fork
I think I know.
and a spoon, and you also need scissors. Yeah, but I already know how to do this. They might not know. So you grab your brownie mix.
Can you open this for me, sir?
We're also making a
Can you open
dough,
it for me?
so you're gonna need flour. But
All the way.
we're making brownie twists. Or do you guys just want to
My
make
fat
regular
hand to
brownies?
fit in there?
What?
Do you guys just want to make regular brownies? Actually, no, we're gonna make the twists because I know how to make
I'm
them.
doing this.
You want to grab your mix, open it, and just put it in your bowl.
I dry out the knife now.
Smells like brownies.
I just want to eat it.
So I'm gonna use the fork to stir it, and then the spoon to add water, and then you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of water. Actually, 1.5 teaspoons, but I'm only using.
Mama's grandma smells like the pie.
That smells good. It smells like Hershey's. Huh?
I need a teaspoon of water.
Daddy,
That's a
Daddy, you
tablespoon.
can use a minute.
Here's your teaspoon. Here, this is what we use.
You can use a minute.
We have
Let me use
that.
a map. You don't
Watch
do
this,
that.
watch this.
You
Where's
don't
that
do that.
I
You
have
don't
that.
do that.
Hey, no, let me show you how first.
You don't do that,
I don't
David.
want my regular food,
Wait,
Raymond, stop it!
where's my spoon?
but that's the proper way to
2
measure.
teaspoons. So
So
I'm gonna
those
use
spoons are all
1.5.
different sizes. Well, you gotta take the other one out.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know.
1 teaspoon of
Let me watch
water.
it.
Now we're gonna do a half one.
Oh no, there's a half thing in there. Yeah. So you're not gonna have it even.
Daddy was
upside
on
down?
the tube.
Okay.
Can I mix?
Right, like grandma.
No. Because I'm doing a tutorial, so. You need to move your head. Look it. They don't want to see your head. They want to see what I'm baking. They don't want to see your head. Okay, you can see, but you don't have to put your
They
head
don't
right there.
really want to.
So basically what you want to do is you want to stir this up, move your head. It's too close. Danny says it's not even close.
It's too cool. Well, I don't think so.
Okay, then how about you scoot your chair,
Think so. That's my think so.
and I'll be right here.
Oh. Hey, my senior.
So, this looks done, but you want to mix it right now. Okay, I'm going to grab my... Right now, you can see it's like so powdery. We're making a dough, so I'm going to add like another half.
Watch so you don't fall off that chair,
Or a
Danny, like
fourth
you
of-
did yesterday. No,
I'm just
not
going to add
stop.
whatever that
You
is.
listen to
Fell
grandma.
off the list.
We're just trying to look out for her.
Which, it's a half a teaspoon, so I'm going to
Now
add
go
that
ahead and move
in.
the chair up a little bit. Move late.
Just kind of keep adding half a teaspoon.
Right there. There. So it's right at the edge. And then you be careful going this way, because if you fall this way,
That's probably going to be
I'm
enough
just letting
water.
you know, don't say stop. You glad that grandma cares for you. I can say, okay, I don't care if she falls. But no, I'm saying, I'm trying
It
to...
kind of is like, if you guys have ever made a bath bomb, kind of what it's like right now. No, I said it's like if you guys ever
Oh, you
made
gotta drop the crackers in there. Why don't you just take the crackers down and put it up there?
No, dang it, I can't prop it up on it. So, you guys are just gonna have to. Okay, that might work a little bit until it falls in the brownie mix. So this is what it looks like right now. It's really powdery, but so So we're gonna add another
Teaspoon of water.
water. It's hot water. It doesn't matter if it's cold or hot water because it's not like you're gonna eat it when it's raw. You're gonna cook it. We're cooking it in the microwave. And I'm gonna teach you all how long to do it for and everything. Because yesterday we did it for 2 minutes. No, Draven, actually, no, they don't. They don't know anything. Well, they do. Like, they don't know anything about this if they're doing it in the microwave. The microwave's way different because we don't have the oven. So what we're doing is, it's kind of coming together.
You need the oven.
Draven, we need an easy bake oven, not the oven. Jeez. Okay, Danny, can you be quiet, please? We already have enough.
Easy bake oven.
I used to have it when I was little. It's an oven that's tiny. All right, that's like the last bit of water we're putting in, and we're just gonna stir it. So you're only supposed to have like a 2 tablespoons or like a tablespoon and a half. Okay, it's coming together, guys. Look, it's dough. It's dough now. Yeah, it's coming together as dough. Can you guys see? It's dough now. But now what you're gonna do is I'm gonna set this up because we're gonna be transferring it to the ground. No, stop. It doesn't need to be stirred anymore. So, stop it, Draven. So, now we're gonna grab some. Grandma, where'd you put the flour?
Huh?
I need the flour.
Flour's in there.
Where?
I gotta put it in that big thing. Grab that big bag right here.
Where?
Right there, your hand.
Okay, so the flour we're gonna put on the table, and then you put the brownie mix on the flour because it's still a tad bit sticky. Actually, it's not really sticky. It's actually not sticky.
Can I feel it? Can I feel it? I look my fingers after. Cause
Sure, hurry up.
and you make it.
And honestly, it looks good. So, my grandma's putting the flour in like a canister. And I'm just gonna
Everybody, give me a
grab a
Can I
piece
feel
and
the
put it
flour?
on the ground.
Oh, your hands are dirty, Draven.
No, they're not.
Yes.
Okay, there we go. You're just gonna need like a couple pinches or a lot of pinches, I don't know. Whatever you guys want. I'm just gonna spread it like this all over the table. Because that's what you're gonna do.
Now what do you do with it after?
You're gonna use it to knead the flour. So you're gonna put it in, you're gonna put the dough in the flour like this. Scrape the bowl so you get all of it.
Fill the flour with that.
No.
Fluffy.
So yeah, you want to do this. You just want to knead
Let me get
it
a big
like
one.
a slime or something, but you want to make sure that it's not sticky. So you want to get flour on it. Draven, I'm gonna need this also to put some more. No, Draven, don't get any more because I don't want it to be.
Thanks. We want that. Don't fail. Thank you.
Your hands, your floury hands are
Let's
on
make
it now.
something, Draven.
So you just want to knead it with your hands.
We can make easy bake.
Just like a dough, like you're making,
Watch
they're
me
like
easy
making easy bake over there with flour.
Just another spoon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
She's giving us flour.
Also, guys, stay tuned for our next video. We're gonna do a potion video probably,
Let's make easy.
because that's really fun to do, and I love doing those videos. So, yeah, tell me.
Don't put it on the table.
So pretty much a potion is where all the expired stuff in my grandma's cabinet, she lets us mix it up into like a potion. It's really fun. So pretty much this is what we have so far. It's still really sticky.
Where's the, where's my phone?
Thanks for letting us
I don't
make
know.
a mess on the table.
I'm just gonna grab some more dough in here.
Oh man, I thought I had my phone. I
A bit
lost
more
it a
dough.
couple times. I found it.
Just kind of sweep the flour into the dough because it's not collecting the dough like it should be. So, this is kind of what it looks
Cooking class
like.
with the little ones.
Cooking class with the...
Raven.
Oh!
Raven. Hey, you don't get more than me. Give me mine.
And then also, I'm going to show
Daddy's stealing mine, Grandma.
It's not just yours.
Just mix it in.
This is what it looks like so far. We're just going to add a little bit more
Watch,
flour.
Daddy.
It's a little bit too...
Raven,
Raven, don't get flour on my new phone or I will literally hurt you.
Watch, Danny. Is that funny? Watch, Danny.
Okay, I'm trying my hardest not to get flour. I can't even touch my tripod anymore, so if it does fall, I can't even pick it up. Which really sucks because my hands are way too
Watch
floury.
Don't do it in her face,
To
Draven,
pick it
because
up.
it can get in her eyes.
Draven, don't puff it too
No.
close to over
Don't want to
here.
get it. Yeah, don't
So
get it
pretty
all
much
over her.
this is the puff. I mean, not the... What am I even doing?
Danny, please don't put it in the bowl.
We should make cupcakes, guys. Grandma, remember when I made those cupcakes?
Which ones?
Remember?
Oh, yeah.
The homemade ones? And they were disgusting.
Yeah, but we got cake mix to make.
I know, but I don't want to make cake mix.
Yeah, but this is like homemade.
I want to be creative.
Creative, there's a bug.
Okay, that's like the last bit of flour I'm going to
Hey,
add.
please don't put mine in there because I have some.
Oh, supreme white cake.
Raven! Stop!
Also, I might
Give
melt.
me it. This is
Stop.
my bowl.
So, in how to make the twists, I just touch my phone. To make the
Oh,
twists,
look
you want to
at-
grab
This
it.
is a Krispy Kreme donut cake.
That's glaze, not a cake.
Huh?
That's glaze, not a cake.
It's bling.
Glaze.
Stop.
So you would want to flatten the
Alright,
dough,
I'm making a pile. Raven!
Okay.
I'm making a pile.
Look at, we don't need to.
and you
yell.
also want a knife. I forgot to
All right,
mention.
just calm down.
And you
We
want to
can
cut
do
it into
Calm down.
equal pieces,
That's all you have to
or
say.
not equal.
Can you
Just
give
cut
me
it
some
into
more?
pieces.
Give me the, where's my little cup?
I don't
Right
know.
here.
You just
Okay.
Can
just gonna grab the little
No, Raven. I'll give it to myself.
and
Raven!
you just want to.
Stop! I'm making easy bake.
Guys, I'm gonna show
Let
you
me make
guys.
easy bake.
Give me the bowl, Danny. Give me the
Here
bowl.
it is. Got it. Okay.
It actually smells really good. And we still have one more easy bake, so we're gonna be doing another video
Can I have a spoon to stir it?
with the last easy bake. Do you guys want chocolate dip mix?
We'll make an easy bake.
We're gonna make chocolate dip mix.
Raven, I'm gonna push this
All
kid
right.
up a little bit. Move
So we
that
have
up.
all our pieces cut.
All right.
Then look at this.
And what you want to do is take two of the pieces.
Okay, I don't know what
You
we
want to
have
roll
here. We
them
have
each
the
into
little
a
chefs in the kitchen here.
little, like a snake kind of thing. Roll them out. Sorry, I'm so sick. It's kind of disgusting.
and we just
Ew,
let them
now there's water on it.
do their little thing.
So I gotta dip it back in the flour. Which is okay if
So
I
I'm
haven't just
making
stuffed off the
easy
flour.
bake that is white.
White easy bake. Grandma, we have to make a potion after this.
I'm gonna smell it.
A potion.
Yeah, remember when you always used to let me use all your expired stuff and make a potion out of it?
Mm-hmm. I remember that.
So can we?
But that was when I was younger. Now I'm an old crab.
No, you're not.
And I don't want a mess. I want it cleaned up.
You're on
Get
YouTube.
the stuff cleaned up.
We will after we're done.
I'm just playing. Well, no, you won't.
You would never do that. You would never say that to us.
No.
You would let us make something.
That's right. I
You
just.
would let us make a mess.
You
Because
have,
a mess is a mess and
You
it's
let me
okay.
and
Because
Raven
Grandma's
make
gonna
a
clean it
little
up
kid.
anyway.
that's right. And look at, and then who don't let you make a mess? Does Grandma Hammond let you make a mess?
No.
What?
But
She's probably watching this video.
Hey, turn that ding thing off. What?
thank you.
What?
Why do you gotta be doing that? When we're sitting there talking.
I told you I was making a video.
Well, that ain't nothing bad.
And now I'm
So she don't. Maybe she don't want to clean it up after you.
Excuse me, Morda. I need more
Which I
powder.
don't blame her.
Danny, can I
Because-
use that to get more powder?
Danny.
these
Please stop that.
I'm just
Anyway.
gonna dab the top because it has a lot of
This
water.
is our playtime.
So that's what we're doing to condense it
I think,
together.
what do you need?
There's our first twist.
No, no more.
Please,
One more. Give me
No,
here. Let me
you
get
guys are wasting all
Yeah,
the flour.
that's
You guys
enough.
don't even need
give
it.
me my cup.
Draven.
I'm actually using the flour for something
That's
I
not that full.
not.
Draven,
Give me my
that's the last
cup
one.
right now.
No more.
Give me my cup.
Okay, no more. No more flour.
Guys, there we go.
All right, I will let you guys play with this if you want to play, but you know.
We will pour it back in that bowl though. That's the
Well, you know what? You guys, I know you're gonna clean it up when you're done. That's what you guys do every time.
No, you're cleaning it.
And a mess is a mess.
Then
and
it's
okay.
Because Grandma's gonna clean it up anyway.
Drea is.
Grandma is.
She knows she loves cleaning these messes.
No.
She says she loves to come here so she can make a mess
I'm
and then
giving you
have to
some
clean.
reminders.
No.
Oh, that's nice.
I love coming
You
here
want
so I
to-
can
you
make a
want to-
mess and Grandma
All
has
right,
to
I'm gonna
clean
get
it.
these cups out of the way so I can
Okay.
get.
That's
this
just like our
done.
theme song,
You
guys.
guys make your little.
So basically there,
I think
And we're gonna
mine is
twist,
too powdery.
twist,
I need it thicker.
twist,
No,
twist,
you got enough
twist,
flour.
What's the one
No, you already got like 4 cups of
twist,
flour.
twist, twist, twist.
Grandma could be making tortillas with this. Huh?
Okay. Also, you could just sprinkle some flour on top
I didn't hear what
for
you said.
looks, honestly, because
Can you
do powdered
No.
sugar, and we don't have powdered sugar. So.
Water? You want water in yours?
Yeah.
All right, it's not gonna be powdered.
Now I'm just gonna do a time lapse.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so next what you're going to need is a plate after you've done twisting them. And actually mine, I made like 2 little cinnamon roll things. Whatever. I don't know what they're... Oh! And now what we're going to do is you need some non-stick spray, whatever kind you want. And you want to spray it all over your plate.
Oh, that's beautiful. Wonderful.
So they don't stick, because you don't want that.
We have Chef Draven over here, and we have little Chef Danny. This is her special. Danny, would you like to tell us what you're making here?
We're making like a roll.
I'm going to take your... I'm actually going to...
Oh, easy bake. Oh, I
That's
see.
what I'm
Take
making.
your brownies,
I added
just
my
set
whole
them
cup
on
of
the
water.
plate.
Oh,
Really
why
spread
did you
them
add the
out.
whole thing? Now you're gonna need more flour. Are you gonna leave it like that? I thought you wanted to make a dough.
That's what I'm doing.
Guys,
I'm making mine like just gotta stir it. I'm making mine like a milk.
You can
Wow.
put some more
So,
flour in yours.
now I'm going to move you because I need the microwave.
Oh,
You're going to use a microwave. You're going to open it.
Daddy, there's a taste.
And you're going to grab your plate of this.
Daddy,
And you want to put it in the microwave.
no, don't taste it. Draven, now you're gonna get sick if you taste
What?
that raw flour. You didn't taste it, did you?
1
I hope
minute.
you did. 'Cause
You
are
so you
gonna
want to
be
put it
sick.
at 1
You
minute.
Never eat raw flour.
And start
That will
for
make
1
you
minute.
sick to your
That's
stomach.
all.
You'll be laying in bed and won't want to get up.
And yeah. Or if they're still not cooked, you can put them in for longer, but... And then with your
Okay, here. I want to make a
with
video
your
for
fork,
your daddy. Tell him.
when it's
Here we are,
done,
Daddy.
you're gonna want to
We'd like
put
you
it.
come and see us cook. Here, go. Ready?
Hey, Daddy,
Wait.
here we are.
Wait.
We want you to come.
So you have 30 seconds on the clock still. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this fork to poke them to see if they're hard or still too doughy to
Okay,
you know,
Draven, would you like to take a second?
be done.
Daddy, want to see what I made?
Honestly, you can tell they're done when they start to smell like brownies. That's pretty much when you know that they're done. So they're almost 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
You get it?
Open it.
Okay, Draven, you got anything to say?
Let's just check them.
Hey, Daddy,
Oh, they're not done. And those.
what's my video?
All right.
We need another like
Watch this
50
video.
or
This is
30
Draven.
seconds.
He's making a, I don't know, olive oil.
So we're gonna put them in for another 30 seconds, and I'll get back with you in the time lapse. Okay, guys, so the brownies are done. I'm gonna try to grab them. Shh. I'm gonna try to grab them off.
Grandma doesn't know she's missing.
And then you want to put them on a napkin to cool them.
So, guys.
So I put them in for a minute and 30 seconds.
So,
So
guys, want to see what I'm making?
don't put them in for over that though. The only thing that cooks is like the bottom, but the bottom usually burns. So you don't have to put non-stick spray if you don't want the bottom to burn. It didn't burn, but like, you know what I mean. Oh, yep, they're done. Like, it gets brown on the bottom, like really brown. Oh, but you can, once you put them on the plate, they do cool really fast. So I'm just cutting them each in half to cool them off, except these are really cool, but yep, they're completely done. So yeah, they're brownies, but they're really good. So we're just gonna cut them in half. Actually, I would recommend using a knife for this because it's hard to do. There we go. They're cut in half. I'm gonna get
If I need more.
and the plate is gonna be really hot, guys. So get it out with the oven mitt, because the plate is gonna be really hot. So we're gonna go ahead and put this straight in the sink. And yeah, those are the brownies. Draven, Danny, they're done.
No, we'll make our own either way.
Okay, well then I'll eat this.
No, I don't have one.
I'm joking.
After I wipe my hands off.
But yeah,
Can you go and give me that towel?
yo, look at his dough, bro. Oh my god. Guys, we're also gonna do a potion video. Since I'm washing my hands,
Hey, stop!
This is
not ready
some
yet.
good dough.
It's not ready. It's not ready. Don't touch it. It's not ready.
Okay, it's already on my hands. What do you want me to do? Jeez.
Get that out of your hand and put it back.
Can't put it back.
You can.
It's still on my hands. And now there's brownies in your Easy Bake. I'm gonna wash my hands with this and see if it works. So all you do is you scrub it up, dub. Come on, focus. Scrub your hands with flour and water. That's like really soupy. And then you turn on the sink. And then you rinse them. Ow, this water's rinse them. And make sure they're exfoliated.
I'm still working too, but.
Okay, so I'm just gonna clean off my little area because they're never gonna clean off theirs. But I'll clean off mine. I want to use up all my grandma's little black napkins. But what I'm gonna do first is try to clean up my mess without cleaning up. You guys need to keep your distance away from me. So what I do is put all the trash in the bowl. I'm like
The knife is trash?
No, all the stuff that's going in the sink and in the trash is going in the bowl.
Can I have a...
No, I'm making a potion. You guys are just making whatever you're making.
One of those?
No, they're not. They're have to cool.
Wood?
Dude, I'm fat man. Do it fat man. Wait.
Flowers. I'm happy. What's this thing? This one here.
Yep, but I don't care right now. So pretty much, yeah, I'm cleaning. So yeah, that's gonna be this video. Actually, I might film them eating it. But other than that, that's a video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Those are the brownies. They turned out good. Do you want one? This one's cold. Let's get his take on it. Show your face eating it. Eat it. What the? Why'd you eat all of it? You had to savor it. But yeah, that was today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below for more video suggestions. I love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Danny, you're supposed to say peace out. Peace out.